In this section, I'll show you how I approach building a simple Angular component using test-driven development. The component will fetch the list of investment stocks from the API and display it as an HTML table with a buy button for each stock. So first, I'm going to generate the stock list component and build out its functionality using test first approach. And I will abstract all the API calls that the component will need to do, for example, to fetch the list of stocks. I'll abstract these API calls behind a service so that my component won't need to be concerned with how these API calls are performed. It just asks the service, hey, give me a list of stocks, and that's it. The next step will be that I will build the actual service that will make these API calls. And I will also use test-driven development approach for both the service and the component. And then when I have the component and the service, I will hook up the service to the real backend. And by real backend, I mean a JSON server utility that I'll be running behind the scenes, which will simulate a real API that my application will be able to talk to. And the last step in this section will be to style the component. And note that this is the last step, and I always try to get the functionality right first and then worry about the looks.